how to use. Get your iCare BG003 glucose meter and open it. The package will include the following: test strips, lancets, user manual, storage pouch, batteries, lancing device, and your iCare BG003 glucose meter. Aside from the glucose meter set, you will also need cotton balls and alcohol, or alcohol pads. Get your test strips. Remember to label your test strips properly. Write the date when you first opened the test strips bottle, as an open bottle of test strips should be consumed 3 months after being opened, regardless of the expiration date. Prepare your lancing device. Twist and open the cap and place a lancet. Push until you hear a click. Twist and pull the protective cover of the lancet and place back the lancing device cap. You may adjust the deepness of the puncture by twisting the tip of the cover. 1 is the shallowest while 5 is the deepest. Pull the cocking barrel at the other end of the lancing device to ensure that the lancing device is ready to use. Get your glucose meter and place the batteries. This device uses 2 AAA alkaline batteries. Place a test strip on the test strip port. Once the device displays a blood drop icon, it is ready to receive sample. Get a cotton ball with alcohol and sterilize your finger. Once the alcohol is dry, you can now prick your finger using the lancing device. Place the end of the lancing device against the tip of your finger and press the release button. Wipe the first drop of blood with a clean cotton ball and extract a new drop of blood. Let the blood collector of the test strip collect the sample. After 5 seconds, the results will be ready. Proper disposal of used strips and lancets. Aim the test strip to a trash bin and push the strip ejector to eject the used test strip without touching it. For the lancet, stick the needle of the lancet to the protective cap and use the lancet ejector to dispose the used lancet without touching it. Switching between millimole per liter and milligram per deciliter. While the device is off, press and hold the M button for 6 seconds. Press M to select between MMOL/L and MG/DL and press M button for 6 seconds to confirm. While the device is off, press the M button. This will display the latest result. Press again to view older results. Pressing until the screen displays end will turn the device off. This device can store 20 results, erasing the memory. While on memory mode, press and hold M button for 5 seconds. This will display del. Press M within 5 seconds to initiate deletion of records. Otherwise, the device will turn off.